Hey y'all, what's up? It's Ebony. We are back again with another video, and today officially starts our Mother's Day series. So this week I'm gonna be giving you some gift ideas, some fun, creative gift ideas. Very inexpensive gift ideas, but they're nice. Okay, so you don't have to break any arms, any legs. Gifts from your children. Specifically, like these can be gifts from you or your child. So if you want to get creative this year, think outside the box, do something different. I'm just going to be throwing some things at you. And yeah, you guys can tweak these projects however you like. But I'm going to just give you the basis and hopefully, you guys enjoy them. Yeah. So like I said, very inexpensive. I would say most of these gifts for this week is $10 or less, about $10 or less. And yeah, it's just a fun project, fun things you can do with your children, fun things your mom and the child, or mom and baby can take part of together to build, to bond, all those good things. But yeah, so today we're going to jump into our first project, and what we're going to be doing is this beauty right here. And it is a do-it-yourself puzzle. All right, so Hobby Lobby sells the plain solid white puzzle, and what I did is I designed the puzzle. So I'm going to show you how I did this, and you guys can go and pick up your own puzzle. That puzzle is literally like $5 at Hobby Lobby, and it's solid white, plain. I'm sure they probably have them at other craft stores as well, but like I said, this one specifically came from Hobby Lobby for only $4.99. And it's a good quality. It's nice and thick, so that was perfect. So yeah, it's something good you can give mom, and meaningful because you're going to design it for you. So all right, real quick, we're going to jump right in. You guys feel free to like, comment, share this with a friend. If you know somebody who's going to need some ideas this week, bring them here. Bring them right here. We have about, I want to say, like 4 different projects that we're going to be doing. So yeah, bring them here, and we're going to have a good time this week. So you guys enjoy the video. We're going to get started.